Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wise business account for dropshipping expenses. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize your Wise business account for dropshipping expenses, start by logging into your Wise account. Navigate to the business section from the dashboard. Select settings from the menu options. In the settings menu, look for account options. Click on manage account. You will see an option labeled authorize payments. Click on this option to begin the authorization process. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security method. Follow the prompts to complete the identity verification. Once verified, you will land on the payment authorization page. Here, select the country where your dropshipping suppliers are based. Next, review the currency options for your transactions. Choose the applicable currency for your dropshipping expenses. After that, continue to the Payment Methods section. Select the payment methods you wish to authorize. This may include bank transfers or debit cards linked to your Wise account. Read through the terms and conditions carefully, then confirm your agreement. Once you confirm, submit your authorization request. You will receive a notification indicating that your request is under review. Typically, this review process takes a few minutes to complete. After approval, you'll receive a confirmation email from Wise. Return to your Wise account to ensure that the payment options are updated. Now, you're all set to use your Wise account for dropshipping expenses. You can manage your payments directly from the Wise dashboard. Remember to keep your account information secure at all times. Start setting up your dropshipping transactions securely and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.